So I'm trying to paint my bathroom and I am struggling. So the only thing I've done, I've already run the tape to kind of line the areas that I don't want. Oh, let's get started on this paint. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never painted anywhere before, but I'm about to try. So I got this paint from Rapid True Value and the color is Solemn Gray. So this is what we're using. Oh, and it's Berger 303 Deep Base. I don't know what that means. Hope I'm doing this the right way. No idea what I'm doing. I've never been anywhere before. But I'm definitely going to try. Don't know if I'm doing that right, but I'm gonna keep trying and see what the end result is. So it looks so much better when I keep going up. So I'm gonna keep going in an upward motion and see how I get this thing on the wall. Not bad. Okay. So, right to the bathroom. Literally. Can't get any higher. But I'm tired. I cannot reach there. Right around there. I don't know how I'm gonna paint there. Oh boy. Yeah, that's so smooth. I did so good. I did such a good job with this.
Anything mama wear, me buy that. No one come borrow girl clothes. I mean, no see the boy if he call me out, me name go down the road. Come on, no easy forget, and if a boy get me, nah go easy for left. Promise, me no see the girl if you run up on my panic. Now watch your pretty face, head be open like a bunny. You don't see me exclusive. And any game I play, me I feel win, come in, no take closes. I swear that I the truth. I regular me off it till a boy do say yes. Any game I play me off it win, come and not take closes. Yo, man, not take closes.